लोग अंडमान वाटर से हम इसको लिए थे। और ये नेचुरल लॉबस्टर बनाया हुआ लॉबस्टर नहीं है, इट्स अ नेचुरल लॉबस्टर। इसको स्टफ करके दिस इज ओरिजिनल, यस, इट्स अ नेचुरल लॉबस्टर एंड इट इज स्टफ्ड to preserve it. Preservation. Yes.
Say something in front of TV. ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಡ್ತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಸಿಡಿ ದೇಗದು आपका ड्यूटी 8 दंगा पड़ता है पड़बंद में गवर्नमेंट में जाते हैं अलग से के साइड
And through this exhibition we want to showcase various kind of fishing methods, gears and different type of species of marine diversity, fisheries related biodiversity we want to showcase over here. And we have established shown to the public several species, several kinds of gears and different kinds of fishing vessels for the benefit of the general public, and not only to the public, exclusively for the purpose of students and to educate to the students in this particular purpose. Here every day so many students are coming from different colleges, not only the school level students, engineering college students are also coming, degree students are also coming along with the faculties. They are getting lot of benefit out of it because they are all studying in the books but they never have a real life activity. So here we have got another facility. We have put different documentary films. The documentary films also we are showing to the general public.
అదేంటి ఫిష్ అంటే ఇది స్వాన్ ఫిష్
it is written there, no?
స్వాన్ ఫిష్ సూపర్ జైన్
Suppose any fishing activity is going on, for that fishing activity they do not know exactly what is happening. So they are observing it in the TV as a documentary film. Then here again we are showing it in the models and different real specimens, preserved specimens we are showing. And one beautiful thing we have kept over here, so many good species. A stuffed item we have put. The stuffed item generally public thought that as if it is a plastics. We have got so many questions. Sir, is it plastic? We said no, these are the real ones and we have stuffed it and kept it for that. So stuffing of material is nothing but a kind of like mummies. They are doing in different kind of mummies. Like that mummies only is a kind of method where the stuffing we used to do for the fisheries. Local traditional fishermen, what kind of gear they are using, what kind of boat they are using, those models also we have explained. And besides that, in Fisheries Survey of India, what is our aim and objective, what kind of fishing methodology we are following, what are our vessels, each and everything we are explained to the public. Our main objective, main ambition to reach to the public and tell them that through this awareness program, save our biodiversity. If today we are not saving our biodiversity, tomorrow for our children, nothing will be there. We have to show the photographs or some models to our children.
चार बोर्ड डाल के ऐसा उठाएगा, चार पड़ेगा बचाने बाद में फिर ऑटोमेटिक लिख के आ जाएगा तो ऑटोमेटिक हीरो हो जाएगा।
ये चाइनीज डिप नेट ये है?
ये चने जिप में से जब वाटर लोडिंग अनलोडिंग होता है ना,
हाँ
फ्लोटिंग अनफ्लोटिंग होता है ना, पूरा बच्चा टाइम उठाएगा।
एक्चुअली मैं चाइनीज लोगों से
पूरा
बात करता हूँ,
बच्चे,
मैं बताने में आसानी होगी उनको।
पूरा मच्छी आएगा।
ये सही है।
చూడండి చూడు ఉన్నారా అక్కడ పక్కన అందరూ పడతాండి పడమే సాయంత్రం పంపించేస్తాను నేను ఫోటో కావాలని చెప్పి స్కానింగ్ చేసి పెడదామని చెప్పి ఆగానండి. నాలుగు మీకు పెట్టేస్తాను, మీకు మెయిల్ పెడతాను స్కాన్ చేసి. అదే డే అవుతుంది
దాంట్లో ఏళ్ళు పెట్టి చూపించండి.
SSB means single side band. It's 100 watt. इसका रेंज 1.6 मेगाहर्ट्ज में.
ఎలా పడతారంటే ఎలా పడతారో దాని అదే మెయిన్ ఏంటంటే మనకి వాడతారు ఏర్లోనా ఒట్టినే అంత తీయగలరన్నమాట ఎంత నలభై కర్ర ఉంటుంది తేలికనమాట ఇది వర ఉండదన్నమాట అలాగా నీరు ఎటు దీని కెపాసిటీ ఎంత ఉందో అంతే అన్ని చాలా పడతాయి ఇప్పుడు లాక్కి కూడా వేరే లాక్కి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అందుపల్లి నుంచి తిన్నా అది పట్టుకెళ్తాను అంటున్నాను
చూడండి మీరు బోర్ పెట్టారు కదా అక్కడ ఇల్లు ఎక్కడ పెట్టారు రోడ్డు మీద
The main thrust what we gave in Fishery Survey of India was the conservation of nature and biodiversity conservation for sustainable development. What has happened is the resource has been harvested without thinking about the future of the resource. There is no control on the harvesting of the resource because the indiscriminate fishing methods what is being used by fishing community. Specifically, the net size, the mesh size of the net is so small that the young ones do not get escaped, and they also get caught in the net and they get in the catch and they are sold outside, and these young ones don't get good catch, good price also. That is why it is not a good return for the fishing folk also. Moreover, it is not good for the fish resource also, because the young one has to grow into bigger fish and participate in the breeding, and for the it also should go for the next generation. Then only the population of fish will maintain. So it has to be maintained by the proper fishing methods used, and it should be definitely the conservation method which are required for maintaining the resource. And actually, because of indiscriminate fishing, it's about 5% of the fishes on the world population have become in the list of extinct fishes they have become. Because of that, there is definitely good awareness required for the fishing community and actually the fish using community also, to see that they do not harvest the fishes beyond their capacity to regenerate itself. Population should be able to regenerate itself. In our coast, mostly there are in the Bay of Bengal, there are some other vessels from other countries are also coming in fishing, including our EEZ under LOP. These vessels also have good technology specifically for tuna long lining. Whereas we also, Indian vessels also have technology for tuna long lining, but then the expertise for tuna long line is not very much throughout the country. It's only about the Thuthukudi fishermen are good in the tuna long liners. Other fishermen are not actually very much familiar with the tuna long lining.
तो हम यहाँ अंदर एग्जीबिशन देखने आए, तो हमने यहाँ पर इतनी सारी मछलियों की वैरायटी देखी, उनके जो बहुत सारे जो ट्रैक्स हैं वो भी देखे, और साथ ही साथ मैं एक पेशे से एक इंजीनियर भी हूँ। तो मैंने जो यहाँ पे जो लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी जो मैंने पढ़ी हुई है वो यहाँ पे मतलब मैंने यूज़ करते हुए देखी, यहाँ पे जो चीज़ें रखी हुई हैं वो मुझे काफ़ी इफेक्टिव लगी इस एग्जीबिशन के बारे में। और साथ ही साथ जो टूल्स हम प्रोडक्शन के लिए सी में यूज़ करते हैं, लाइफ जैकेट और अदर विसी टाइप और फायरवर्क्स जो भी है, वो मुझे काफ़ी इम्प्रेसिव लगे यहाँ पर के लिए। स्पीसीज एक्चुअली इन माई स्कूल लाइफ में मैंने छोटे छोटे स्पीसीज देखे थे, बट यहाँ की जो वैरायटी है, यहाँ की जो साइज़ है, आई थिंक आई हैव सीन फर्स्ट टाइम इन माई लाइफ. इट वॉज फैंटास्टिक एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी विथ माई फ्रेंड्स. इट वॉज अ नाइस सीन. Yes, yes, yes. This is the best place which I have seen ever.
You're not seen in Chhattisgarh?
No, this kind of not.
Where?
No, actually small size in my laboratory, school laboratory.
जितना मच्छी इधर रखा ना, इतना मच्छी मैं कभी देखा नहीं था. इतना नेट भी मैं देखा नहीं था. हमारा इधर फिशरमैन लोग को बहुत खुशी होता है नेट देखेगी. इतना वगैरह मच्छी देखेगी, स्कूल स्टूडेंट वो लोग सब ताजीब होता है. वो मच्छी कभी वो लोग देखा नहीं था, जो है कि वो लोग FSI रखा है वो मच्छी. वो एग्जीबिशन लगा है ना, वो लोग बहुत खुशी होता है, हम लोग बहुत हैप्पी होता है। ऐसा मुझे लाइफ में अभी तक देखा नहीं था ऐसा। इधर बहुत आइटम देखा मच्छी, वो झींगा मच्छी और सी हर्स बोलता है इसको, और पितली बोलता है इसको, जो क्रैब्स, ऐसा में पे बहुत मच्छी है। मच्छी हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा। ये जो बड़ा साइज पंपलेट, ऐसा में पे जो मिजोरम जो शेर फिश बोलता है, वही सब बहुत अच्छा है।